Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to today's session. So, before discussing a concept in today's session, one thing I would like to make it clear. So, on the advice from principal sir and even from management committee, you will be going to face uh, first periodic test on 28th of August, that is on Friday. So, relating to that, we will share a question paper on the day through the groups created separately for boys and girls. Take the question paper, and for attending the questions, you are advised to keep 100 size, 100 pages, king size notebook separately for all the different subjects to write periodic tests. Then, after keeping notebook, after getting question paper on the day itself you are suggested or advised to complete uh, the work. Then go through the questions before answering, check the main question number, sub questions, and wherever it is required, go with writing answers neatly with highlighting the points, with making the points, and leave proper space, maintain discipline, write neatly. Then further informations will be shared through the groups. Then coming to the point, so in the previous session we were discussing about Swaraj in plantations. Then after discussing Swaraj in plantations and relating to non-cooperation movement, in today's session let us go for discussing the other concept from the chapter, that is towards civil disobedience. Towards civil disobedience, ಕಾನೂನು ಭಂಗ ಚಳವಳಿ. In the month of February 1922, in the month of February 1922, Mahatma Gandhi decided to withdraw the non-cooperation movement which he launched earlier or before this. He felt that movement, non-cooperation movement, it is turning into violent in many places, and moreover satyagrahis needed to be properly trained, advised before they would be ready for mass struggles, mass agitations, and fights. So, with the advice and with the thinking of Mahatma Gandhi ji, some leaders were now tired of mass struggles and they wanted to participate in elections to the provincial councils that had to be set up by the Government of India Act 1990. Means now Gandhiji is interested to withdrawal non-cooperation movement and he wanted to uh, uh, make launch other such movements where he would be able to train properly to the satyagrahis so that they would be ready for mass struggles and mass agitations for attaining Swaraj or freedom. But the advice, suggestion, and guidance of Mahatma Gandhiji, it was not accepted by the other leaders, particularly in Indian National Congress, because these leaders are very much interested to participate in the elections which are going to take place for provincial councils which were set up by Government of India Act 1990. Then Chittaranjan Das, C.R. Das, Motilal Nehru, they formed Swaraj Party within the Congress because their argue is returning to the council politics. Returning to the council politics means these leaders are not interested to accept the ideals and principles followed, accepted, and practiced by the other leaders, one who were identified in Indian National Congress, arguing or opposing the principles of the leaders. Now they form their own political party, and their argue is returning to the council politics. Young leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, they pressed, highlighted for more radical mass agitation for full independence or complete independence or Purna Swaraj. In this particular situation, an internal debates and dissensions of two different factors again shaped Indian politics towards 1920s. The first was the effect of worldwide economic depression which was taken place during the times of First World War. Then agricultural prices, it fall down from 1926 and finally it got collapsed by 1930. So because of collapsing the agricultural prices, demands for agricultural goods and products fell and exports declined. This made peasants found difficult to sell their harvest and pay their revenue to the British. Simon Commission 1928. Simon Commission is one such commission which was sent by Tory government in Britain to India to discuss or to formulate constituted a statutory commission under John Simon to set up in response to the national movement, and it came to India to set up in response to the national movement, and the commission was to look into the functioning of constitutional system in India and suggest the changes to the Tory government in Britain. I repeat once again. Simon Commission was mainly sent from British government to India. So this commission came to India to discuss, to check the responses of nationalist movement and also to formulate functioning of constitutional system in India, and it is formed to suggest the changes which could be implemented in designing or in forming constitutional systems in India. So the Simon Commission was boycotted, opposed by most of the Indian leaders, freedom fighters, because the problem was that the commission did not have a single Indian member in it. They were all British. So the commission came to India to respond the nationalist movement and uh, to look after to advise or suggest functioning of constitutional system, and it also came to India to suggest the required modifications and changes. But the commission was not consisted any Indian member in it. That's why it was mainly boycotted by Indian national leaders. When the Simon Commission arrived in India in the year 1928, it was greeted with the slogan, "Go back, Simon." Go back, Simon. All parties, including the Congress, Muslim League, and other regional parties, they participated in the demonstrations against Go Back, Simon. The liberals and moderates who were proposing a constitutional system within the framework of British dominion gradually lost their influence. In the month of December 1929, under the presidency of Jawaharlal Nehru, Lahore Congress session formalized for the demand of Purna Swaraj or full independence for India. So Mahatma Gandhi, he had to find to relate this abstract idea of freedom to more concrete issue of everyday life. So with this, let me stop today's session and let us continue the remaining part of the chapter in tomorrow's session. So thank you one and all.